Woke up at 11 o'clock, I ain't got no job, what the hell should I do today? This feel like some I don't give a fuck, oh my god, shut the fuck up, I ain't hearing what you gotta say. What the deal, how you feel, not important. All I'm thinking about is riding in these Porsches, but don't be coming at me with that horse shit. Acting like you know me, that's the worst shit. I know in my soul, like this fucking cold, yeah. That's just how.
Hey guys, what is up? Good morning. Today I'm gonna do a what I eat in a day, like a healthy version. I already had my coffee and water for the day, and I think I'm gonna go and make some breakfast. So let's get into the breakfast.
Never ever meant to be so sour, baby. Running out of steam every day, be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I drink. Like a love, like a love. They all want something.
I love making my smoothies with orange juice because I think it adds a lot more flavor.
I don't rest, I might be a Nike fiend. I need my checks, headed for the limelight. Ain't just hype, just not overnight. I take my advice, I'm gonna do this right. Feeling nice, what's the price? Yeah, do not live in twice. Yeah, my fam on my spine. Yeah, green be getting sliced like a lime. Never ever meant to be so sour, baby. Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling
Moment of truth.
so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine, no friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues, yeah. I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah. You know I keep on running from the truth.
And I'm just gonna say it, if you don't like ketchup on your eggs, I understand, but I also really don't understand. This is weird, but eggs and ketchup taste like chicken nuggets to me. That might just be me, but I get a strong nuggety taste from this, and I'm here for it. I'm gonna enjoy this, and then I'm actually gonna head to the store for a little bit because I do need to pick up some stuff for lunch and dinner. We're pretty barren in the groceries department right now, and I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, I'm about to head to the store and get some stuff for lunch and dinner. I think I'm gonna make some cold pasta salad and salmon with some type of veggie. Haven't decided yet, but you guys will see later. Hey, so I just got back from the store, as you can see, these lovely groceries, and I thought I would do a little grocery haul for you guys to kind of show you what I got. Most of this stuff is for today, but I got some other little things. First off, got some salmon fillets. This is gonna be for tonight. I'm really excited to eat these. I got these cherry tomatoes for my pasta salad. And then I got 2 Honeycrisp apples. I love eating these with a little bit of peanut butter. So got pitted Greek Kalamata olives. I got some green onions. I got a red onion. And I got some red wine vinegar, which is weird because I swear I had this. Then I got a fat cucumber. Yeah, and then I got some fresh mozzarella that I'm gonna cut up and put in the pasta salad as well. And I think with the salmon, I'm gonna do broccoli tonight, so it'll be nice and healthy. But yeah, I'm excited. I think I'm gonna make the pasta salad because it does need to sit in the fridge for a while. So I will show you guys how I make my famous pasta salad. Not really, I actually just looked up pasta salad recipes, and I will link it down below so you can make this pasta salad if you wanna try it. All right, this is what you're gonna need for the sauce: some garlic, olive oil, red wine vinegar, salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, and a little bit of sugar apparently. I don't know where that comes in, but we'll find out when we're doing this recipe.
Fuck. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah.
So I just realized before I start all of this, I should probably make the noodles. So I'm gonna do that now before I go any further. But I made the dressing first because I'm actually gonna marinate the onion in there so that you're not just biting into raw onion. I don't mind raw onion, but that's what the recipe says to do. And I wanna give it a shot and see if I like it. But let me hop on that pasta real quick and get that water boiling.
It's getting colder when the sun comes out.
All right guys, and for the pasta itself, I'm gonna use penne pasta from Barillo. I think this is the best pasta brand really out there besides fresh pasta. But I would normally like rotini with this. Rotini is my favorite pasta overall, and I think it would absorb the dressing a little bit better, but this is what I have today and I think it will work. Yeah, let's get chopping.
Blows, yeah. It's just the drum blows, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devil's speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you with infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, I just wanna know now, too numb. Crying getting old, hope you free your soul, I might have caught the June blues, yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth.
Guys, so here's all the chopped elements. We've got mozzarella, olives, cucumber, cherry tomato, and some salami. And then I have the onion marinating in the dressing. And it's time to mix everything together.
Waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. Drum blows, yeah, I got the drum blows, yeah. Walk around like who you.
All right, guys, I'm gonna do a little taste test. Pretty good. And when I put it in the fridge, it's only gonna marinate more and get better over time. But I think I'm gonna add a little more salt and pepper and maybe some Italian seasoning and then put it in the fridge to chill just for maybe 30 minutes to an hour. But I definitely am gonna have a lot of leftovers because this made a bunch. So I'm gonna be eating this for the next couple of days. And that's one thing I do normally do is eat leftovers. Today I didn't have any leftovers, so I thought it would be a good day to film this video because I'd be making all new things. But if you just make things in batches, then you can just have it for leftovers and you don't have to make as much or cook all the time. I am really excited to dig into this in a little bit. So I'm gonna tackle these dishes and I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. Sorry, the sun is blinding, but I'm gonna film this clip really quickly. I went to the liquor store because I was out of wine. You know, I just wanna keep this video as realistic as possible, so thought I'd let you know. So I've never tried this wine before, but it's a Sauvignon Blanc. Wait, let me change the angle on that. So I'm gonna do a little taste testing for y'all. It's good. Welcome to Cooking with Lizzy. Welcome to Chili's. We're gonna cook some food today. We're gonna feed our stomach, yay. Oh my God, I'm a fucking rap master. Please hold your applause for the wrap master because I'm about to be the salmon master making this delicious salmon. It starts off with 1 part balsamic vinegar, and then I add in 1 part soy sauce, a glug of olive oil, and mix garlic in there as well. This is going to be the marinade for our salmon, and I just like to leave it in the fridge for maybe 30 minutes, and it is delicious. And then I'm making some rice along with it. Just throw it in the rice cooker, super easy. And you can do any kind of rice you like, but I did white rice, and oh my god, it's ready already. And then I like to put tinfoil down on the pan where I put the salmon. Now that that's marinated for a while, I decided that it's time to start the broccoli. I did put the salmon in, I just didn't film it. But I'm just steaming the broccoli, and oh my gosh, it's ready right before our eyes. It is so delicious. I love this meal. Don't judge me, I like soy sauce. But this meal is so good. If you like salmon, if you like savory flavors, it is for you. I didn't film an outro to this video, you guys, so I thought I would just voice over it. You know, very resourceful over here. I'm going to be coming out with more outfit videos soon, and just stay tuned for what's coming up on my channel. It's going to be a fun time. So if you haven't subscribed already, I don't really know why you haven't, because there's really no reason for that. But don't worry, you can still redeem yourself and hit that big red subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so you're notified every time I upload.